Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of one of the best packs of 2019. We have the Basement Nike Air Max 90 Manchester, and I'm not going to lie, this is designed by some of the UK's finest young talents. But before we get into the box, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because you're a little legend, and guess what? It really does help out the channel. So let's take a look at these amazing sneakers. So straight away, we've got that premium Nike box. We've got the little tab right here. And then, this is one rude sneaker right here. Also, Adidas, take lessons. That's how you can close a box without making a silly noise. The Yeezy box does my head in. So, we have the rudest trainer on road right here. Dedicated to Manchester. I'm a Manchester United fan. And guess what? It's based on the rainy city, and this is ideal for that city up there. Completely covered in Cordura. This durable material is both water resistant, rip resistant. It's just one of the most premium, and on top of that, resistant things on the market. I keep saying resistant. So as I said, this is designed by The Basement, which was originally a Facebook group when I was younger. I don't actually remember being part of The Basement, but it was a bit of a madness apparently. I remember people always being like, oh, Chris, get on The Basement, get on The Basement. You need to be on The Basement. And I never was. And I don't know why. I think I was just being a stubborn ute. What stands out for me straight away is real people, they do real things. I hope that's around the right way. It wasn't. Real people do real things. This is The Basement's mantra, and it is seen across the whole pack. So first of all, we have the Glasgow release. That was last Saturday with the nice premium leathers, the orange hits and the grey tones for the greyest city in the world because it's always raining in Scotland. This time we've gone completely blacked out with a nice blacked out upper. As I said, Cordura all the way across it. So with that, it's resilient as anything. And it's just a rude shoe because it's the Air Max 90. Standout hits have to be these nice bolt yellow hits coming all the way down the tongue, as well as a heel counter and that jewel swoosh. The jewel swoosh is not something we regularly see on an Air Max 90. And on this, it really brings a shoe to life. Next week, we have the London release, which is by far the best release because I'm a London boy. So I'm going to be a little bit biased. And these will be available from this Saturday, October the 12th. And it's going to be a mad day for releases. We have the Travis Scott Jordan 6. We have Sakai Blazers. We have these dropping as well. 3 incredible shoes all in one day. And £140 for a resilient shoe like this. It is the most resilient shoe on the market. This is going to be called the Resilient Unboxing. I'm not going to lie, The Basement have absolutely killed these. If you're hoping to cop them, to flip them, there is a little bit of resale to them, but once you take all your fees out and stuff, it's not worth it. So just wear your goddamn shoes. I mean, the 3M hits on these make it worth it. This has been the Nike Air Max 90 Basement Manchester, and I've been Chris from The Soul Supplier. I'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing, and make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because you're a little legend. See you.